Huei Tyng has been in the home storage industry for more than 30 years. Our foundation stone: innovation. Our in-house R&D team develops 20 new items every season. Their works has been approved by worldwide customers in all continents and could be found in many leading retailers. Integrated production line. Huei Tyng is the only manufacturer who has the complete production line in Taiwan. We are specialized in producing all kinds of steel tube products, such as garment racks, kitchen racks, bathroom shelves, shoe racks, storage carts. Over 3,000 products in total. We continue to invest in fully automated equipment to increase productivity and quality stability and create superior products with superior advantages and competitiveness. To ensure stable and reliable quality products, we offer a good quality product by the standardized production line. We also provide you with customizing loading reports, a thickness report of steel tube, salt mist corrosion test, drop testing reports, or other special requests. Our long-term plan is to set up a smart factory which does not only have automation facilities, but also can collect all data from production directly and analytics by the system.
深耕台湾，布局全球，是Huei Tyng集团的共同目标。我们依然会继续的投资，扩大厂房和自动化的机器设备，达成智慧化制造的目标。
Service. With years of working experience with worldwide accounts, we are ISO 9001, FSC, and SF certificate, and have passed different kinds of customized audits, such as BSCI, SEDEX. We build a global integrated enterprise based on customer satisfaction, respect for humanity, and long-term partnerships, and the value of growing together, practicing dreams, and creating life.